Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The BYD U9 showcased here is a stunning example of futuristic automotive design fused with high-performance modifications. This heavily customized supercar has been reimagined in a striking matte yellow color that immediately captures attention. It's not just the paint that makes this car pop, but the aggressive styling and engineering details that elevate it to a completely new level. From the front, the BYD U9 displays a bold and commanding presence. The custom front bumper is equipped with integrated LED light bars that not only enhance visibility but also add a rugged yet modern aesthetic. The wide front grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights and DRLs, daytime running lights, giving it a fierce and purposeful look. The front splitter and aerodynamic vents suggest that this vehicle is built for speed and stability. On the sides, the wide body kit becomes more evident. The oversized alloy wheels paired with deep tread high-performance tires provide a strong grip and off-road capability. The suspension has been adjusted to give it a high ground clearance, allowing it to tackle various terrains without compromising luxury. The doors are sleek and integrated perfectly into the body lines, while the black accents and tinted windows complement the vibrant yellow paint job, making it look sporty yet elegant. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive. It features a bold rear diffuser, quad exhaust pipes, and a sculpted bumper that underscores the car's powerful engineering. The LED tail lights are slim and modern, seamlessly fitting the overall futuristic vibe. A custom rear spoiler adds aerodynamic efficiency while enhancing the sporty appearance. The entire car has been designed with attention to ultra-realistic detailing. From the lighting reflections on the body to the intricate wheel design and tire treads, everything has been rendered in high 8K resolution. Studio lighting emphasizes every curve and edge, making it a visual treat for car enthusiasts and designers alike. This version of the BYD U9 doesn't just look powerful, it embodies innovation, performance, and luxury. It's not just a car, it's an experience on wheels, crafted for those who want to make a bold statement on and off the road. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the futuristic BYD U9, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Critic USA for more amazing reviews, futuristic builds, and in-depth automotive content.